Hello and welcome to Active Academy, Health at Home, Wellness at Work. If any of you are like me when coronavirus hit and the gyms were all closed, you had to find some new way in order to still get a good workout in without being able to go to the gym. I chose to be a little bit creative, grab some empty milk jugs and fill them with water. Whoa, so heavy. Not really, it's only a gallon. Grabbed a chair, my water bottle, got some open space, and got to work today. I'll be taking you through that workout. If you don't have milk jugs that you can fill with water, don't worry about it. We're just going to be using them for squats today. The extra weight adds a little bit more resistance to the muscles and makes it work a little bit harder. But if you don't have them, that's okay. You can just do squats. For the rest of you, grab a chair, water bottle, 2 milk jugs, preferably gallons or half gallons. Gallon is just easier to hang on to sometimes. And let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with a quick move to loosen up the muscles. We'll be doing each of these for about 30 seconds at a time. I'm just going to start a timer. You can always use your phone. I'll go ahead and be demonstrating some of those techniques so that way you can do this at home without me. Alright, my workout has started on my watch and I'm going to put 30 seconds on the clock. So this is just a nice twist to get the muscles loosened up. You can go as fast or as slow as you want. You just want to get that spine mobile. You can also roll your shoulders a little bit as you're doing this and stretch your neck out. Kind of looks like a dance, that's okay. It's just to get the body loose and ready to work out. Perfect. So now, grab your milk jugs and stand in front of your chair. So you want to put your feet shoulder width apart, milk jugs in hand, and go ahead and squat down, just like this. You want to go until your bum just barely hits the chair. Make sure your knees are behind your toes, and they're not going too far over. And just keep doing squats till you hear that timer. You'll start feeling the burn later. Believe you me. Alright, so now we'll just do some push-ups. Ooh. Let's my milk jugs are in the way. Go ahead and set them right next to the chair. That works best. 30 seconds on the clock. So your arms are about a little bit more than shoulder width apart. You can either put your feet right up against something hard and straight, or just like this, and then you dip down. You want to try and go to 90 degrees. If you can't go to 90, that's okay. You can also just be on your knees and do a couple of push-ups this way. Whatever's easiest for you, but just go the full 30 seconds. All right. Now we're going to do what is called the bridge. So, you're going to lay back, just straight flat on your back. You're going to push up so your bum is off the ground, straighten one leg out, and then you'll push up like this. Alright? So we'll do 30 seconds, or 15 seconds each side. And it's just that nice tightening motion. So you get up flat, and you go down to the ground. And switch. Other leg is straight. And get back up to that tabletop flat position. That's 30 seconds. All right, we're doing. Okay, so now we're just gonna do some basic half raises. Again, just for 30 seconds. So with calf raises, you want to make sure your feet are just about hip width apart. And you just go up onto your toes. Pretty simple. So just do this for 30 seconds. If you want to make the workout a little bit more difficult, you can alternate so your feet can go out like this and go up on your tiptoes that way. That'll kind of work the lateral side of your calf, or the outer portion of your calf muscles. Or you can turn your toes inward and go up, and that works on the medial side of your muscles, or that inner portion of the calf. All right, and now we're gonna finish off this set with some tricep dips. Oh, for 30 seconds though, so we'll need our timer. Perfect. So you just use your chair. You can put your hands on either side, and then you dip down, just like in grade school. So go ahead and let's go. Go to the walk. Perfect. You want to try and come down to that 90-degree angle as best you can. Keep going, you're almost there. Got a little less than 10 seconds left. Perfect. All right, so that was one set. How's everybody feeling? Go ahead and get a drink of water. About halfway through your workout, we're just gonna do 2 sets today. All right, so let's go ahead and start back from the top. So you're just gonna do those twists, 30 seconds. Get started. Again, this is just to kind of loosen you up a little bit. Get you going. It's kind of a nice rest for 30 seconds. Try not to go too far with your twist. You just want it to loosen up a little bit. 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, so now we're going to get into our squatting position. Remember, feet shoulder width apart, hands at your sides. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds. Just up and down, knees behind your toes. You don't want them floating over. Give yourself plenty of room, just until you've gone barely hits. About 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. That's it. All right, set your jugs aside. We're gonna get into the push-ups. All right, so for 30 seconds again. Ready, go. You can see I'm breathing in as I go up and breathing out as I go down. That just helps the oxygen move a little bit better with you. About halfway, keep going. Two, 1. Nicely done. All right, so now we're gonna do the bridge. 30 seconds on the clock. In position, and go. Try to get all the way up there. You don't want to let it sag. Perfect. About halfway done. Oh, forgot to switch. Sorry. Did 20 seconds on that side. That's a little bit unfair. Go for just a little bit longer since we gave that other side a little bit extra time. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Come up out of it. All right. Now we're going to calf raises. So you can see me. Okay, from some angle. 30 seconds. Make sure you keep breathing throughout all of this. Whew. Your heart should be pumping pretty good. Mine says it's about 125 beats per minute. It's pretty good. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and we're gonna end with the tricep dips. 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go. Get all the way down to 90. You guys can do this. This is the last one. Halfway there. Keep going. We're almost there. 5, 4, 2, 1. And that's it. Great job. So, hopefully that gives you a good idea of a little 10-minute workout that you can do in the comfort of your own home or at work. All it takes is a chair and a water bottle because you want to be drinking water. Oh. Feel free to watch this video whenever you want just a 10-minute workout to do from home or at work. See you later.